Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Veda Nexus. We are thrilled to have you join us on this incredible journey through the wisdom of the Vedas. In this episode, we are going to start with the basics. We'll be unlocking the answers to 11 fundamental questions about the Vedas.
What are the Vedas? What is the meaning of the word Veda? How are the Vedas believed to have a divine origin? What is the historical period during which the Vedas were composed? How many Vedas are there? In which language are the Vedas written? What is the Rigveda and what does it primarily contain? What is the Yajurveda and what is its primary focus? What is the Samveda and what is its significance? What is the Atharvaveda and what type of content does it include? What is the significance of Vedic mantras?
The Vedas are a collection of ancient sacred texts that form the foundation of Hinduism. They are considered the oldest and most authoritative scriptures of Hindu religious knowledge. Veda, the word Veda comes from the Sanskrit root ved, meaning to know. Thus, Veda means knowledge or wisdom. The Vedas are considered Aparurya, meaning not of human origin. Hindus believe they were divinely revealed to ancient sages, rishis, during deep meditative states. The Vedas were composed over several centuries, starting around 1500 BCE to 500 BCE, during the early Vedic period. The Vedas were traditionally transmitted orally from generation to generation through precise memorization and chanting by Brahmins, priests. Vedas are written in ancient Sanskrit language. There are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda. Each Veda serves a different purpose and contains distinct types of content. Rigveda. Its content are hymns and praises. Rigveda focuses on devotional hymns to various deities like Agni, fire, Indra, rain, and Soma, a sacred ritual drink. Its significance: it's the oldest Veda, and it consists of 1028 hymns organized into 10 books known as mandalas. Yajurveda. It contains of prose mantras and sacrificial formulas. Its focus on instructions for performing rituals and sacrifices. Its significance: it's divided into 2 parts, the Krishna, black, Yajurveda and the Shukla, white, Yajurveda. Samveda. It contains of melodic chants. Its focus on musical rendition of Rigvedic hymns for use in rituals. Its significance as known for its emphasis on the musical aspect of the Vedic hymns. Atharvaveda. It contains hymns, spells, and incantations. Its focus on practical prayers and rituals for everyday life, including healing and protection. Its significance as contains knowledge related to both spiritual and material aspects of life. The Vedas are not just religious texts, but are considered a vast repository of knowledge encompassing various aspects of life, including philosophy, science, and ethics. We will uncover some more facts in next chapter.
Subscribe for more latest videos.